1, 2, 3. FAB, action.
Hello, this is Jimmy Iman and from the best I go, cause I will review
Lift it up, Jeremy.
MGM and Gerry Anderson from the best 6, the International Rescue Edition. The trick brilliant decades ahead of its time. The Tracy team is back in action in another Liberty adventure. This time it will take out of the combined effort and the coloring of the colleague Lady Penelope to defend an international ring of terrorists who target international rescue for destruction. Right on the main voyage of the fabulous new passenger vessel Sky One, Lady Penelope is shocked to discover that the hijackers who want to use her to obtain classified information about the international rescue team. As the hijacker superplane circles the globe on a collision course where a catastrophe, Penelope must await her captors and send an urgent SOS to get help from her fearless co-hosts before it's too late. Special features include audio commentary, beauty bio puppets, Lady Penelope, and Tiger Moth features, animated for Gerry, craft mixing matchup clips, winter relaxed go trail, and previews.
Hey, Jan, what was your favorite part to Thunderbird 6?
It's, the ending.
Don't say anymore, Jeremy. I don't want to speak spoils. And didn't you like the part where they pull that, where 1010 pulls the prank on Parker?
Yeah.
Alright, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Alright, say, until next time, FIB, everybody.
Until next time, give me a warning thumbs up. FIB, everybody.